Chapter 1. A New Friend. My name is Emma. I live in a small house in a quiet town. Every morning I walk to school with my best friend Lucy. One day something strange happened. When I opened my door in the morning, I saw a black cat sitting on my doorstep. The cat had bright green eyes and a small white spot on its nose. It looked at me and did not move. "Hello, little cat," I said. "Are you lost?" The cat meowed but stayed in its place. I looked around, but no one was there. I decided to give it some milk. The cat drank the milk quickly and then followed me to school. Lucy laughed. "Emma, do you have a new pet?" "No," I said. "It just appeared this morning." The cat waited outside the school all day. When I finished my classes, it followed me home. Something about this cat felt special. Chapter 2. The Secret. The next day, the cat was still there. It followed me everywhere. At night, it sat by my window and watched the stars. I felt like the cat wanted to tell me something. One evening, I found a small note near my door. The note said, "Take care of the cat. It will bring you luck." There was no name on the note. I looked at the cat. It blinked at me and purred. "Who left this note?" I asked. The cat just meowed and rubbed its head on my leg. Was it really a lucky cat? I did not know, but I decided to keep it. I named it Shadow. Chapter 3. A Lucky Day. After I adopted Shadow, many good things started to happen. One day I found a $5 bill on the street. Another day I won a small prize in a school contest. Even Lucy said, "Emma, maybe your cat is magic." But the best thing happened one rainy afternoon. I was walking home when I heard a small noise. It was coming from a box near the trash. Shadow ran to the box and jumped on top of it. I opened the box and found a tiny puppy inside. It was cold and wet. I picked it up and ran home. My parents helped me dry the puppy and gave it food. We decided to keep it. "Thank you, Shadow," I said, hugging my cat. Maybe the note was right. Shadow was a lucky cat. And so, my small house became a home for two special animals. Shadow and the puppy, Lucky, were my best friends. And I knew that life would always be a little more magical with them by my side.